Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Illustrator on your computer. So for downloading that, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store. So here you can see it is showing. Now open it. So now inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Adobe Illustrator. So just wait. So here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed it, this is showing as open, but in your case, this will show as install. So after installing, you can open it from here. So after opening, maybe you have to sign in before logging in. So after signing and logging in, this screen will show on your computer. So from here, you have to go to apps. So when you scroll down, here you can see Adobe Illustrator is showing. Now click on free trial and just wait. So now here you can see plans are showing for the Adobe Illustrator. So you can buy the plan whichever you want. Also you can take 7-day free trial, after which you have to pay. So this is how you can download Adobe Illustrator on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.